Release day PYT1 Select Hybrid. Five boxes. Cardinals are sitting. We'll get those moved. Marshall, you got it. Oh my God. Zach, do you? You remember my 33-hour session? RYB, I got you. All right, I got our screen all updated. Beautiful. Marshall, of course you're good. Perfect. Perfect, let's go. Our screen is completely updated. A bunch of people just took teams around our screen. Yeah. Yep, Chargers free to the break, Bengals free to the break. We adjusted all the time. It was great. It was really, really great. Let's do a guess. Let's have some fun. We're going to have fun today. It's Friday. It's the beginning of Blizz weekend. And it's a great start to Blizz football weekend when you got Select NFL Hybrid release. Let's guess for 25. For 25, guys. Let's guess the last color card. No, Marshall, we're just a little, Marshall, it'll get there soon. We're just a little behind, baby. We're just a little behind. All right? That stuff didn't, I don't think it beat the sort, Marshall. That's why. But Marshall, it'll be there. You'll get it. Don't worry. Oh, I think I see gold already. Time out. You know, I remember this product very fondly. We go through it. We see where the color is. We put it at the bottom. Let's see. I see a blue and... Whoa. Whoa. 3 colors in this one. 3 colors in this one. This product may be loaded. I see a green. I see a green and a red. This product may literally be loaded. Oh, wow. This may be loaded. Guys, this stuff may be literally loaded. I'm seeing lots of color in every box. Yep, there's a gold in this one. Oh my God, that might not even be a gold. That might be a green. Oh, wow. All right, I'm seeing at least 2 color in every box. Yeah, I think I'm seeing 2 color in every box. Maybe 3. Wow. This may be a loaded product. This may be a loaded product. Guys, I would attack it now. Attack it all right now. I did not expect to see 2 to 3 color cards in every box. Get it now. Let's go. Is it everything ships? I'm sorry. 1 second. Is it everything ships? I think it is. All cards ship. Everything ships. You know what? Let's just leave everything. Unless it's a case. Trey McBride is our first disco. Concourse disco. For Arizona. Exactly. There's 2 to 3 autos a case. Skyler. A.J. Brown is our first numbered. And it's going to be to 25 for the Eagles. Good start, BJP. Dobbs. Silver rookie of Bonito. Kyle Phillips, club level red. To 49 for the Titans. Alante Taylor, Premier Silver. All right, no, sweet level. I don't know if they have field levels. We'll see. Sweet level may be the best level. To 49, Austin Eckler. Guys, sweet may be the best level. I don't know. They might not have field levels. Box 2. Jamar Chase Concourse Disco Bubbles. Silver Logan Hall Premier. How about a color match of the baby goat? For Ben. Baby Go Concourse. Brady. Run CMC Blue Suite level. For Ski Kid. Oh, there's a gold at the bottom. Huh. There's a gold at the bottom. How about a Brock Silver? For Ski, club level silver of Brock. And the JT gold sweet level for King Boo. The JT, the 2020 stud out of Wisconsin. Okay, this break is ridiculous. Take your 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s. Take it all. Look at this. Brock Silver. That's big. Because you don't expect to hit that. Oh, that has the green. We'll save that one. Yeah, this stuff is good. Guys, we're underpriced. Take it all now before prices. I don't think they'll. I hope they don't change. David O for the Ravens. That's a premier level to 25. Brock. Brock is hitting more than he does in regular select. Myles Garrett disco. Ritter. A-Rod silver. Brian Cook rookie club level 49. Pickett. And the blue is pretty damn good for the Packers and Patty No. To 25. Watson on the club. I think sweet level may be the best level in this product this year. Guys, can anybody confirm that? Sweet level may be like the field level for this product, which is fine. ACTP. Oh, there's a gold here. Is that a green or a gold? Oh my God, I think there's two greens. Something weird's going on here. All right. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. All I know is this break's crazy. What's up, Gary? Yes, there's no field level here. That's what I thought. Deshaun's Bathhouse to 49. Nicky Bolton silver club level. Jalen Tolbert 25 sweet level top. Dallas. Hutch. There's a green at the bottom. We're getting three colors in a lot of boxes here. Rashad White. Cortland Sutton to 49 for Denver. Green. Okay, there's a ton of color in this stuff. This is silly. All right, they backdoor made this product great. There's a lot of color. Patty Surtain for 808. Bill, it means aloha. It means hello. 808, it means good morning. How are you? I live in Hawaii. Aloha. My life's amazing. Patty Surtain to 5 green. I think we have another green too. How many greens is that? Is that our first green? Is that our first green? That is our... Oh, we've had a gold. Sorry, we've had a gold. Oh, this is exciting. This is exciting. I'm so happy. And I was afraid this wasn't going to be good. Raymond. Trey Lance silver. Malik for the Titans to 49 sweet. Guys, if you're just tuning in, this is the best level. Sweet level is the new field. Pickett. Burks for the Titans. Wow, the last teams on the board are crushing. They're literally crushing. We're getting like 3 color cards a break. It's crazy. Skylar Thompson silver, and we have a green to finish. Sweet level. This is one of the best. Sweet level green. Come on, baby. Be elite. Be Pickett. Be Pickett. Oh, it was a Steeler too. Lucky Lefty. To 5, sweet level. This is one of the best cards there is in this. There's blacks and then there's greens. And this is the best level. One of the best defensive players in all of football. J.J. Watt is his brother now. TJ to 5. What a break. Oh, take it all. Guys, I want to hit the biggest cards in this product today. So let's just do it all. Recapping, and we're going right into 2. That was good. Look at this recap. This recap is fantastic. Let's count the color. This is what's crazy. Jamar McBride. Here, let's count the color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Brock Silver. Brock Silver Club. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 color cards in 5 boxes. 16 color cards in a break. Oh yeah, take it all. Just take it all. Take it all. Let's go. Let's go, baby.